So this is the 3D printed mask design I used. It is the one that you will find on La-Factoria Thingiverse version 1. It has a really nice supports to attach the strings. The shape is really nice, but I actually modified the original design to make it even more better to suit my needs. My printer is a Tronxy P802MA, one of the uh, DIY type of printers, and it prints really good. I mean, I will say that it prints excellent. So this mask has three different parts. The first of all, the mask itself, and these are the two new things that I printed out. Basically, this is from La-Factoria with some changes, and these are from the Montana mask. But I made a lot of changes in both of these original mask designs. I made this opening wider so that it can accommodate 2 inches of the filter piece. It has these locks inside that will fit with the filter box or filter pot, whatever you say. So that is the second change, that I converted the Montana mask filter pot into something like this, where the one will go like this inside the mask and it will stay there. Now this part will go inside and this empty space will remain out, so you can place a pleated the Hepa filter, or maybe you can just cut a regular piece of the surgical mask and put it over, and then you can cover the surgical mask or a pre-filter with this another, and it snap fits very nicely. I just realized that my second mask is also ready now. So it's basically a little smaller mask than the original one, and this is meant for my wife, who is also a healthcare professional. But I must say that this Tronxy printer P802MA is really the best printer that I have used. It prints so excellent that you can see here, you can yourself see that how well it prints. So now let's start assembling the installing the this D-tube on the mask. So what actually we are going to do now is just to make this mask airtight. So I have this about a little bit more than 1 feet of tube, the D-tube. Actually it is meant to seal the windows. And let me start from the bottom of the mask. Okay, so it has a gum inside and it sticks very well. So what I will do is like start with the bottom. So something like this. A little bit of it will remain outside. I will show you in a moment. And then I'm just going around the edges of the mask. So this much remains outside, which will go against your face. So this is it. And put the alpha mask. It's ready. First, how neat it looks. This is and out. And from side looks very different. And this is what that we cover. There's a lot of people giving here on. Okay, so look very quick and from inside and out. This is how it looks from in, and this is how it looks from outside. And now, wow, it fits very nicely. So our next step after installing this packing is to install a filter itself. So in order to do that, you will need these two pieces. The one is a filter box that we printed out, right, and the filter box cover, and of course the mask itself. So what I'm gonna do is to cut off this mask. Into the office, and there are the click to the worker double color. Now I put that is mask. So just put it on inside over the box and cut around the edges, leaving about 5 to 8 millimeters all around. So and check the, so make a square out of it. So I think you can make 4 filters out of the one. So my filter is now ready. Put it over the mask, filter box, like this, and close the lid. That's it, right? So now the filter box is ready, and the last thing now to do is to put this cassette, the whole thing, inside the mask body. It will be going to be a little difficult as it is too tight to do. There it goes. So your mask is ready, and if you want to ever change the filter, just remove and change it. So this is the final product, just to show you how it looks like. So it has like a nice lining and the filter and the string. I'm just going to change the string. It was just for a temporary test that how it will fit. And this is the small. I just want to show that I cover the entire inner surface with the hot glue so that the filter doesn't leak the air from the edges, from the gap.